All right, today we are in sunny Ontario, Canada, right on the shores of Lake Erie, and we are at Sun Retreats Sherkston Shores. Let's go take a look at our first luxury lakefront cottage. When you're visiting a beautiful place here in Ontario, Canada, taking in the view of Lake Erie, being right on the beach itself with easy access to the fire pit, place to just kind of lounge out and take in the scene and the breeze, plenty of seating area for 6, 7, 8 people, having a nice little grill, having a barbecue while you're here. Let's go take a look inside this unit. Now as you walk in, you're going to notice a very open concept and beach type feel, allowing for the breeze to come through both ways with glass sliding doors on every side that you turn. Obviously being able to take in the view is fantastic. But here in the kitchen you have full-size appliances, double basin stainless steel sink, Formica countertops, plenty of lighting throughout as well, and then real wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances for the range and microwave. A lot of place if you have 2 or 3 kids that you're walking through here that everybody can make a sandwich, get something to eat, sit down at the same time. It's nice just to have enough room to have space to kind of get through very easily when you have a couple of people walking through. Since this is a 2-bedroom with a fold-out couch, you can sleep up to 6 while we're here. Let's go take a look down this way. So as you're coming down the hall, first thing you're going to notice is this first bedroom. Real doors coming in and out for privacy, not pocket doors, so it's really nice not to have a slider sometimes. And then bunk beds with a full-size bed on the bottom, twin bed right up top, windows in there, and your own TV and dresser for storage while you're there. You're also going to notice, as you're coming down the hallway, closets on the side. So a lot of extra storage throughout this particular cottage. Bathroom to the side with a full-size tub and sink, regular hookups for water, power, and sewers. So nothing crazy when it comes to the toilet, water hookups, anything like that. Now as we walk into this main level bedroom, you're going to have a lot of closet space, queen-size bed. I'll tell my swan story later, so don't worry about that. But there's a beautiful setup, overhead coverage for cabinets, plenty of storage space. Really doesn't matter what you have. I don't care if you're here a week, a month at a time. You're gonna have room to put whatever it is that you brought with you, all right? As we're walking into the living room space, you're gonna notice because of the glass sliding doors, you have a nice cross breeze coming in. Ceiling fan's gonna help with that. You have an electric fireplace, just kind of take in the breeze in this area while you're watching TV. You have your Roku's, DVD players, all that kind of fun stuff is set up here as well. If you want to bring your own, go for it, but they got you set up here too. Nice little coffee table and a fold-out couch that will sleep 2 more people. You kind of just sit down, take in the view, the breeze. Somebody can make something to eat. Let's go take a look at the deluxe cottage over in the Evergreen Village next. All right, so here we are. Let's take a look in this 3-bedroom model. As you're coming in, you're gonna notice really high ceilings, open, airy feel to it with those picture windows that let in a lot of natural light. Seating area for 4, plenty of countertop space to get everything ready. Full-size appliances that are black in this model with a little splash of color on that backsplash. Let's head down to these bedrooms and the bathroom in the hallway. Regular doors, not pocket doors, so it's great for privacy, but everything's hooked up for water, power, and sewer for normal sink, toilet, and a full-size tub. Bunk beds in both bedrooms, so full-size bed on the bottom, twin-size bed up top, again with your own windows and storage. So you'll notice plenty of storage space to keep your suitcases, hang a couple of clothes, all the room that you're going to need for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. And then in this regular main level bedroom, full queen bed, sconces on both sides, end tables on both sides with outlets right behind them. You have more closet space right here with the mirror, just to really check your hair, make sure it looks good, everything's ready to go. And a place to put your suitcases and hang your clothes. All right, out here in the living room space, you got plenty of area to just kind of take it all in, enjoy the open room. Nice big coffee table, full-size couch that folds out into a bed, plenty of seating area, electric fireplace, TV with all your internet, cable, everything else that's hooked up there. Let's go take a look at some of the other amenities around the resort. We are at the Family Funplex here in Ontario, Canada, right on the shores of Lake Erie, and I want to go over some of the awesome things there are to do at the resort in Sherkston Shores here. You have the pools right behind me, the water park that's right behind me, mini putt, axe throwing, paintball, ropes course, bungee jumping trampolines. You also have a tiki bar right on site outside of the pool. The quarry is on site. Beach access is right here on the resort as well. You're only about 30 minutes from Niagara Falls and from Buffalo, so there's plenty to do on the surrounding areas. That and so much more to do at Sherkston Shores. Thank you so much for being here with us on another episode of Sunny Spaces. Do not forget to click like and subscribe to the Sun Outdoors channel. We'll see you at the next spot.